So hello, here are some new hex bones. I got a new black one, and I got another set, so it's really big. Gonna move everything. So let's get this party started. There's that one that twirls, the dumb one. Here's my black one, and here is my blue one. It's like a big fat battle. Haha, they just got wedged. That one's just spinning. Oh snap. You see, there's a lot of them. I mean, like, there's a lot more. Wow, there's a bunch. I really never. Oh, look at that one. Dang, he got back up too. Like, oh, that was great. This one is Jack, and this one is CJ. So it's Jack, Finn, and CJ. So there you have it.